ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब में। इसके पहले हम लोगों ने मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कैन और कुड के बारे में जानकारी हासिल की थी। आज उसी सीरीज में आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मे। इट इज द थर्ड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब। जनरली वी कॉल इट थर्ड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर. It shows, primarily it shows a possibility, and its modality, another modality is seeking and granting permission. So this modal auxiliary verb we use daily in our life. Without this we cannot complete our work. So here how it is work and which modality we have to use using this modal auxiliary. Here may, uses of may. First, seeking or granting permission. Everyone knows that in school, in office, we have to take permission and we have to grant permission to your subordinate, and you will have to ask permission to your boss or your superior. When you are in class, you will have to ask permission to your class teacher, your HM sir, and your HM sir will grant permission to you. So here is, and for that we use modal auxiliary may. So there is very easy way to learn the uses of may. Here is first, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? That is used in making questions. Each time you are asking for permission, you will have to ask verbal type question. So permission always comes in verbal type question. Here, may I come in? Most time we only want permission for ourselves only. So most time after may we use may or we for you are. If you are in a group, if you are if you are both, then you can use we, right? May we come in, sir. But most of the time we use may I come in, sir, because we we go single. We don't go with group in offices. Here, may I ask a question? While you are in meeting, the conference is going on, webinar is going on, then that is not good. You are raising your questions without any intimation to your boss. Then you will have to politely ask your boss, may I raise a question or may I ask a question? Right, that is politeness. Right. May I ask a question? Here we can use could also, more politely. If you want to be more polite, in last video we discussed about the modal auxiliary verb could. So here we can use may. Here, may I ask a question? May I take this? May I take this phone? Right. The little one, the boy, the baby can get permission, may get permission from its parents, right? Here, may I go for a walk? Right. May I go for playing cricket? Right. Children ask their parent for going outside for playing or doing something. Right. That are some uses of may, seeking permission. Right. You can say that. May I start this webinar? Right. May I start this video? May I start my lecture? Right. May I stand? May we go now? Right. Mostly. So you can use this modal auxiliary with effective use, and you can use it very confidently. Next, the next modality is granting permission. Here When you ask for something, your boss, your teacher, your parents, they will grant permission, right? So here, you may go now. So right, what is that? If you ask, may I go now, sir? Your teacher may say that you may go now. Or in negative, you may not go now. If he doesn't grant, if he doesn't want you to allow to go out, then he may say here, you may not go now. You may take a break. You may take a break sometime, interval you can take. Right, after a long session, the resource person, he may say that you can take a break. You may sing now. While the music director is instructing the singer and he is keen to receive signals from singer, then the music director may say that you can or you may sing now. You may take this job. Here, you may take this job. This is also a permission and this is also a suggestion. In earlier video, we talked about the sentence which has different modalities in different situations. So here we can say that is a suggestion also. You may take this job or you may take this job. That is also a permission. Right. Why you are taking projects from company, that company grants you that project. At that time, this sentence or this type of instruction may be there. Right. You may call him. You may call him. Right now, you are allowed to call him. Right. Next, you may write now. आप लोग लिख सकते हो. राइट. मान लो तुम्हारे तुम्हारे टीचर कुछ आपको समझाते हैं, इसके बाद आपके टीचर आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं. इंस्ट्रक्शन या हम उसे परमिशन ही कह सकते हैं. राइट. यू मे राइट नाउ, यू मे कम, यू मे डांस, यू मे सिट डाउन. These all instruction come under modality of granting permission. Here, next modality of may is indicating probability. Indicating probability. Probability means guessing. While probability guessing we used earlier could, and here the could is most polite. That is the most polite way to ask that, and that is the more probable than may or might. You can use could. I may be away from home this Monday. There are slightly chances that I am out of my home this Monday. If I use here, I could be away from home this Monday. If I use here could, means there are dark chances. There are dark chances of going outside from my house. That is the difference between could and may. He may be at home. वो घर में हो सकता है. There are light chances. There are very light chances. But when you use could, there are bright chances that he will be at home. Next, if I ask him, he may come. If I ask him, he may come. Here, again, it is very little chance, but it is possible. It will be possible that the writer or speaker is guessing, but he is not 100% sure. The sky is cloudy, it may rain. There are great chances of having rain. It may be rain because of there are clouds in the sky. We may have to face the music. डांट खाना, राइट. फेस द म्यूजिक का मतलब होता है डांट खाना, राइट. मान लो कुछ गलतियां कुछ लोग करते हैं तो दे विल हैव टू बी पनिश्ड और दे विल हैव टू फेस द म्यूजिक. यह एक इंग्लिश में कहावत है. मीन्स यहाँ डांट खाने की चांसेस बहुत जीरो है, बहुत ही कम है. 0 से लेके 30% तक हम उसको कह सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, our exams may be postponed due to corona virus. अभी फिलहाल हमारे एग्जाम टल सकते हैं. So guys, these are the uses of model auxiliary verb